What's going on, guys? Eric from the Wisco Guys here today, and in today's video we have a package that has been sent to us. I haven't opened it, but we're gonna open it together. So this was sent to us by a company called Super Clean, and they said to give their product, or they actually said to give this product a try and see how we like it. So I'm gonna open it right now. I gotta find a razor blade though. So like I said, they sent us a package. We're gonna open this up, see what we got. Oh, so we got a hat. Nice. And we got a t-shirt. Nice, we got a t-shirt. So Super Clean sent us this out. What size is this thing? 3X. Ooh. So that's gonna fit me. What else we got here? We got Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner, degreaser. We got Super Clean Tough Grease, super easy, super fast, biodegradable detergents. That's nice. I like that. And we got Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. That's gonna be nice. We're gonna use this today. These wheels need to be cleaned. So, plus we have Super Clean floor absorbent as well too. So actually, we're gonna use that today as well because Aaron's actually doing a heater core on his truck. So we're gonna check that out. All right, and so here we have a little flyer. We've expanded our line to help you tackle grease and grime. All-wheel cleaner, floor absorbent, aerosol can, and foam trigger. So this must be the foam trigger right here. Maybe? No? Maybe? No. Okay. So we got that. So guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. They do have a little scale of diluting. So, you know, uses ratio, indoor, outdoor, full strength. You know, using it on drain opener, floor wax remover, garbage disposals. You know, you want to go full strength on that kind of stuff. Outdoor barbecues, concrete, lawnmowers, tractors, chainsaws, auto parts, engines, tires, underbodies, and shop equipment. You want to use that stuff at full strength. You can also dilute it as well too for you know, stuff like fireplaces, tools, workbenches, and then in the outdoor plastic furniture, pool areas. And then the auto, you can dilute it to do your carpets and floor mats. So there's a wide range of stuff you can use this for in your house and outdoors around your house, and even on your auto and RV or marine applications. So definitely read the instructions. I'm sure you can find this on their website at superclean.com. So definitely check out that link below too, just to see what application is going to work for what you guys want to clean up. So alrighty, let's get to it. So I'm very excited to work with this company. They contacted me about a month ago to try this out, to do this. So here we have is what they sent us, and just a quick overview. They sent us some wheel cleaner, Super Clean degreaser, a nice hat. I'm liking this. This will be good for summer. So, and then Super Clean degreaser in a aerosol spray application, some floor absorbent as well, and then a t-shirt for me as well too. So awesome, you guys, thank you for sending this out. This is great. We're gonna get to use this actually on the Mercury Grand Marquis. The wheels need a little cleaning. As you can see there, they're definitely got some brake dust on them. Not too bad, but we do have a truck in the shop that'll be the ultimate test to see if we can get some white letters to look a little better. So we're working on this truck. This truck needs to be cleaned. We're gonna use the degreaser actually on the wheels, or on the tires, white letters. Plus we're gonna try to use the degreaser on this frame because we need to undercoat this frame. And I wanna make sure it's clean before we undercoat it. So we're gonna try that as well too. Let's get set up and we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna clean these wheels and tires here and get this going. I want to try this out. Before we start cleaning the mercury here on the wheels and tires, we got to do something first. All right, that's better. So let's get started on this and see what this product can do. All right, so first thing you're gonna want to do when you're using any wheel cleaner, so that's what we're gonna use on this. You're gonna want to wet down the rim first, just so you kind of dilute it as you're spraying it on. And you never want to let the cleaner itself dry on the surface. So that goes with wheel cleaner or their degreaser. So we're gonna open up the solution here. We got it from off to on, and we're just gonna start spraying it on the wheel. Try to get the grime off of this thing. This car does produce a lot of brake dust in the front, so I'm actually cleaning these wheels like every so often, more than you normally would off any other car. But we're gonna let that sit on there for a little bit, and we're gonna take our little brush here. Don't necessarily need one of these. I'm sure you could do it with like a rig or something. Just make sure you wear gloves if you're using a rig. You don't want to get this chemical on you. So we're just gonna go in the wheels here, just kind of get it the best we can. Trying to just get inside your spokes if you have any spokes. As you see, you can see it kind of lifting up there as we go in. Kind of see all that lifting up there with the brush. This is definitely working really good. So I got that. Now I'm gonna grab a pressure washer. You don't necessarily need a pressure washer, but it definitely helps. You can just use a hose. But if you're doing this, you really want to get it cleaned. You really want to get it rinsed off, cleaned up really good, because you don't want this chemical sitting on there too long. Before we get too far into today's video, definitely hit that subscribe button below. We're getting close to our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so definitely hit that button below and help us out to do more videos like this with Super Clean. So thanks guys. All right, back to the normal programming. Alrighty, so yeah, definitely looking real good in there. Yeah, this works pretty good. I'm liking it. So that is Super Clean's wheel cleaner. I'm gonna do the rest of them here real quick just to get them cleaned up, and then we're gonna use their other product as well too, the degreaser and then the foam or the aerosol easy spray can. So I'm gonna get the rest of these done, and then we'll try the other product on something else. So now I'm gonna use their degreaser just in the spray bottle here on this frame. And we're gonna try to get this cleaned up as best we can. Like I said, we're gonna be undercoating this truck in the shop here, but we wanna get it cleaned up first, and I thought, let's have Super Clean clean this up for us. So when we go to do it next week, when we go to do this undercoat next week, once the box goes back on it, we'll be set to go, be all cleaned up. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna wet it down, and then start spraying this on it. So before I wet it down, as you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's like just mud and dirt and road grime and everything just caked on it. So a lot of this is going to come off with the hose, but there's going to be like a thin layer of like dirt and mud and just like road grime and everything still stuck to it. So we want to try to get it as clean as possible. Alright, so we got it rinsed off. Like I said, there's still like some residue on there, as you can see. Like, we want to get that cleaned up. That, like, still residue. We want like bare frame, bare E-coated frame. So let's get to spraying this thing. Alright, now that we got it covered in degreaser, we're just gonna let it sit for about, I would say 3 to 5 minutes, just so it can do its thing, chemical, just to start getting it degreased and cleaned up. So we'll let it do that and should be good to pressure wash it off. Alrighty, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Just nice, bare, I mean pretty. This is just perfect. Clean frame so that we can lay our undercoat on this truck when we go to do it next week for this customer. But I just wanted to show you guys the power of the degreaser from Super Clean. It is really good. It's cleaned it up fantastic. So helps with the pressure washer, but that degreaser really did dig in and get the dirt off, and that's what we wanted, the dirt and the grime, you know, just get it cleaned up. So get it super clean. So I'm excited. That looks pretty good. So like I said, we're gonna try to get this wheel cleaned up. These white letters are just dirty, so let's get those cleaned up. So I'm gonna see how this works, the Tough Task Cleaner degreaser in the aerosol can. See what we can do here with these white letters. Alrighty, we can already see it starting to work here. As you can see, the tire is starting to change color. That's the degreaser pulling the dirt and the grime and the grease out of that rubber there. I'm just gonna hit it real quick with the brush. Just to give it a little bit more of help, you know. Sometimes you gotta give it a little bit of elbow grease. So now we're going to take our pressure washer and we're going to get this pressure washed off. That looks like it's new again. Brand new tire, it looks like. Wow, I'm impressed. That is good. All right, I just want to take a closer look here. I mean, you look at that. That is good. I'm impressed. That is awesome. I'll show you the other side here. I did not do this other side, so if you look here, just not nearly what that other side is. This is dirty for sure. And this is just like, oh yeah, that's what you want. When you clean in your vehicle, you want these white letters to pop out if you have them. I'm impressed. That's good. That's good. I'm impressed with that. Actually, all these products are working really well on the wheels on the Mercury, and then the frame on the F-150, and then, you know, the white letters on the F-150. That is just really good. So I'm gonna get this truck pulled out, and then Aaron, we'll go talk to Aaron real quick because he's working on a project of his own today, which we're not showcasing because he's kind of just doing it on his own, just simple maintenance. So what do you got going on here, Aaron?
Thermostat housing, thermostat gasket. I already did the heater core. So yeah, just putting her back together now.
Yeah. Why were you doing the thermostat gasket?
There's a leak on the top of the engine, coolant leak somewhere. Figure this is the best place to start.
And we pressure tested it.
Yeah.
So it all signs showing it was coming out of that upper housing for the thermostat. So yeah. So, but if you haven't seen any videos on this, I'll link them up in the corner here. Aaron's 1996 F-150. We did a hood on it, and we did an exhaust video on it. So I'll link those up here in the next few minutes, and it's really good. I like this truck.
Yeah, it's a nice truck.
So,
We make a mess.
we did make a mess, but we got to clean up that mess before we do anything, and then we'll do the back mess.
Yep.
So, alrighty. So, Aaron is test driving his truck right now, but he's got a little bit of a mess going on here. We're gonna try this super clean floor absorbent for like coolant spills and stuff. So, alrighty, got this open. We're gonna give it a shot. Alrighty, we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. You can get these in a bigger container. I think it's like a gallon or more. But yeah, they do come in a bigger container. But we're gonna try this out, see how this works in this little area here, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little while, and then we'll come back and see what it's how it's functioning, how it's working. So let it sit for a little while. I'm gonna try to get this swept up. Yeah, looking pretty good. If I had a little bit more, I'd be able to do this whole puddle, but worked pretty good. Sucked up quite a bit. There's actually a decent sized puddle, so yeah, works pretty good. All right, guys, definitely check out Super Clean's website. I'll put it in the description below. Put a link there. Check them out. I'm gonna start using their products in the shop here and on my personal vehicles. So definitely check out their website. I know L&M local to my area has it, so definitely go grab some and try it for yourself. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Definitely hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks, guys.